Hi there, this is Maybe, or you can call me by my Chinese name, 大可. In my previous video, I taught the most essential 6 initials of pinyin. Today, we're going to learn something new, the tunes. Understanding and mastering these tunes is key to speaking Chinese fluently. To make it even more fun, we will learn them through a unique mindset, the dancing of the tunes. Now, I invite you to stand up as we're going to do a little dance. That's right, the tunes dancing. There are 4 tones in Chinese, so we will learn 4 movements.
Wait a second, I heard there's another tone called qinsheng.
You know quite a lot. That's the 5th tone with no tone marks. When you pronounce it, make it quick and light. I will tell more about it once we come across it. For the first tone, raise your hands and then like you're going to do a stretch. Naturally with a sound, ah. This is initial ah with the first tone. It's very steady and stable. For the second tone, raise your right arm while lowering your left arm. Now you've learned the initial ah with the second tone. The first tone is the opposite of the second tone, ah. The third tone is the most difficult to pronounce because it combines the first and the second tone, ah. It first goes down and then turns up. So now you've learned all 4 tones in Chinese. Now it's time to put our knowledge into action. Let's have some fun practicing what we've learned. It's a dancing time. Of course, you can make it more dynamic and fun so you can better recognize the tunes once you see it. In the following video, we will learn about the final series. There are 23 in total, but no worries. I divided them into 4 lessons, so it should be easy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'm Maybe 大可, an online Chinese teacher who specifically guides students aged 6 to 70. Contact me if you want a one-on-one Chinese tutor. I offer practical Chinese lessons at a reasonable price. I will see you in the next video. 再见!